Here are some worked examples of what you can do with ExPDA. The examples in this video are using a single spreadsheet to make it easier to show how the program works, but this is for demonstration purposes only. The intention is that ExPDA is used on multiple spreadsheets by multiple users and in multiple locations. Let's enter a value into our input cell. The red cells are for formulas only. Once entered, you leave them alone. For our formula, we will select our input cell, go up to ExPDA at the top, and then select Publish Data. Here, we enter a name. I'm going to use test1 in lowercase. Click OK. Then, we choose where we want to put our formula. Let's choose the next cell, D7, and then click on Publish. This cell has been converted to the input cell, the published name, the field value, which will be 1 in most cases, this will be explained at a later stage, and cloud, which is capitalized, which is our feed. All these are in quotes, except for the input cell. Our subscribers would now be able to go to the Request Data menu at the top, select Test1, and click on the Request button. We can now try and test this by going to our input cell and changing the value from 45 to 78. Any changes made by you will be seen by the other users. In the first example, we saw how you published to other subscribers. This example shows how your subscribers can change your published value as well as you. We will do the same thing as before. Enter a value in the input cell, select the input cell, click on the Publish Data menu item, give it a name like Test2, click OK, then we choose where we want to put our formula. Let's choose the next cell, I7, and then click on Publish. Do the same as before for the subscribe cell, but this time it is for you to subscribe to it as well so that you can see the latest updated value. For our other users, we will enter a value in the input cell that we want to change the subscribe value. As before, select the input cell. This time, when we select Publish Data, we cancel the new request, select Test2, change the formula cell to I11, publish. Now, you should notice that the first subscribe value has updated to 44. Whereas your original published value still shows 103. We will also fill in our other users' subscribe formula as before by Request Data and selecting Test2. Now we test it by changing our first published value in the input cell to 29. Here you will see that the latest subscribe value for everyone is now 29. Whereas the last published value of our other users shows the last published request of 44. This is because everyone is mirroring the Test2 request. An example of usage would be if you were placing a bid on eBay. You would see your last bid under your published cell and the current bid of everyone on your subscribe cell. When they place a bid, then it would update your subscribe cell. ExPDA can also publish multiple cells at once. As before, we will enter data into 6 input cells. Now highlight our input cells, go up to Publish Data. I will give it a name of Test Many. Click OK. Now change the formula cell to a single cell of R7 and then publish. You will notice that the formula shows the cell range, Test Many as our request name, 1 as the field, cloud as the feed used, and ending with array as it is referencing more than one cell. For the subscribe, we select the first cell for our output. Select Request Data, pick Test Many, and then Request. Finally, we do our test by changing one of the numbers in the input cells, and this will automatically change our other users' grid. Thanks for watching, but if you have any questions, then please email support@rttechnologylabs.com. If you have found this video useful, please like and subscribe to our channel.